I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by proving the Ps4 has clean power. Plug a lamp into the same outlet to confirm it works. Once done, try a different socket. Inspect the power cable and swap it with a known good cable or PSU adapter, because damaged leads or loose pins often cause no power issues. Now force a full shutdown. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the system stops, then press it once to attempt a fresh boot. This removes stuck standby states and resets the internal power latch. Once the basic power path is verified, move to safe mode and internal checks. To enter safe mode, power off fully, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep at about 7 seconds. Connect a USB controller, then navigate options. Rebuild database first because it repairs corrupted file tables that can block booting. Update system software next if rebuilding fails. Also remove USB devices, blow dust from vents, and, if you can, reseat the internal HDD. Loose drives or overheating can prevent normal startup. If safe mode and cable swaps fail, escalate to hardware diagnostics. Test the console with an alternative compatible power supply or a different known good power brick. Faulty PSUs and swollen capacitors can kill startup. If hardware looks fine and you can access menus, backup data and perform a factory reset only as a last resort because it erases everything. If problems persist, contact Sony support or a repair shop. One troubleshooting tip. A blinking blue or white light often points to power or motherboard issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.